Whether it's for guests, camping, kids, or daily floor sleeping, one of the best folding mattresses can give you enough comfort and support to make almost any space feel like home. Welcome back to BPQ, where every breakdown is hand-picked, human-voiced, and guided by real comparison and research. In today's video, we considered features, quality, and value to bring you our top 8 best folding mattresses available now. Let's get started. Number 8. Budget Pick. Cushy Form Floor Mattress. The Cushy Form Trifold mattress is 4 inches thick and made from high-density foam that strikes a good balance between comfort and support. It folds into 3 sections and comes with a zippered travel case with handles for easier transport. One of our favorite things about it is the versatility. You can use it for sleeping, lounging, stretching, or even as a backup guest bed in an RV or small space. It's CertaPure US certified, and the soft cover is machine washable, which is a nice touch at this price point. Why it's worth it? It's a durable, multi-use option that works well for everything from floor beds to camping, especially when you're short on space or budget. The pros are that it's a good budget option, it's well constructed, and it's portable. The cons are that the carrying case is pretty flimsy, and it doesn't come in larger sizes. Number 7. Tatami Pick. FULI Japanese Tatami Mattress. The FULI Japanese Tatami mat is a foldable, firm surface floor mat crafted from tightly woven rush grass using traditional methods. It folds into thirds for easy upright storage and stays thin and compact, making it a great minimalist alternative to bulkier sleep setups. It measures about 0.5 inches thick and offers a supportive base either on its own or paired with a futon. One of our favorite things about it is the natural feel. It helps regulate temperature and humidity, keeping things cool in summer and warmer in winter. It also absorbs moisture and odors, which is great for small rooms or low ventilation spaces. The surface feels grounding and firm, making it ideal for back alignment and daily use, even beyond sleep. Why it's worth it? It's a clean, natural option that adds comfort without clutter and gives you a real taste of traditional Japanese floor living. The pros are that it's compact, comes in a variety of sizes, and can be combined with other mattresses. The cons are that it's not a traditional mattress and not suitable for everyone. Number 6. Camping and travel-friendly pick. Matrix Comfort Cell Memory Foam Camping Mattress Pad. The Matrix Comfort Cell is a 2.75-inch thick memory foam sleeping pad designed for camping, travel, or floor sleeping. It rolls up tightly into the included carry bag and straps down like a bedroll, making it easy to pack for road trips, tent setups, or even unexpected overnight guests. We like that it's not just soft, it's actually supportive for its thickness thanks to its dense foam core that offers real pressure relief. The waterproof cover is a pleasant surprise at this price point and unzips easily for machine washing. It also has a grippy, non-slip bottom so it stays put in a tent or on hardwood floors. With CertaPure US and OEKO-TEX certifications, it's a safe, reliable pick for both adults and kids. Why it's worth it? It delivers true comfort wherever you roll it out, without the hassle of inflation, frames, or fighting with saggy air pads. The pros are that it's well made, available in multiple sizes, and easy to store and carry. The cons are that the storage bag isn't as durable as we'd like. Number 5. Best Foldability. FULI Japanese Traditional Shiki Futon, shikibuton. The FULI shikibuton is a traditional Japanese floor mattress designed for simplicity, support, and exceptional foldability. It's around 2 to 3 inches thick and rolls or folds effortlessly into a compact bundle, making it one of the most space-saving options on the list. We like that it's handmade in Japan using time-tested materials, offering a supportive yet breathable surface for minimalist sleepers. Unlike bulkier foam mats or air beds, this one folds without fuss and tucks neatly into a closet or corner. It's especially well suited for small apartments or guest rooms where you need to reclaim space during the day. With regular sun drying and care, it holds its loft and comfort for years. Why it's worth it? If you're short on space, but don't want to compromise on a grounded, supportive sleep surface, this futon nails the balance between tradition and practicality. The pros are that it has quality construction, comes in multiple sizes, and pairs well with tatami mats. The cons are that it can wear down in spots if you don't rotate it occasionally. Number 4. Double Duty Pick. VA4 Z Cube Mattress by Quick Sleep. The VA4 Z Cube is a hybrid foldable mattress that blends traditional bed-level comfort with foldable design. At 11.5 inches fully expanded, it offers dual-sided comfort, soft memory foam on one side, firmer support on the other. One of the best things about it is how solid it feels. The internal coil system includes reinforced edges and tornado springs, so it won't sag or collapse even at the corners. It folds neatly into a compact shape that works just as well for sitting as it does for sleeping, making it a smart fit for studios, dorms, or anywhere space needs to multitask. At 55 pounds for the queen, it's on the heavier side, but that heft comes with legit structure and support. Why it's worth it? It's a rare foldable mattress that offers real back support, usable seating, and the kind of stability that actually lasts. The pros are that it's thick and comfortable, well-made, and doubles as a small sofa. The cons are that it's not ideal for camping or travel. Number 3. Best Folding Cot. Linon Verona Cot-Sized Folding Bed. The Linon Verona is a foldable cot-style bed that blends a durable metal frame with a built-in 5-inch inner spring mattress. It opens up to about 31 by 75 inches and folds down to just 13.5 inches deep, making it compact enough to store in a closet or roll into a corner. What we really like about this model is that it includes everything. No need to buy a frame and mattress separately. The spring-supported frame feels sturdier than typical wire or canvas cots, and the mattress is thicker than you'd expect for the price. Casters on the bottom make it easy to roll out for guests, then tuck away again without heavy lifting. Standard twin sheets fit fine, and the cover fabric is soft but durable. Why it's worth it? It's a fully built guest bed that folds down fast, sleeps comfortably, and actually fits in storage without a fight. The pros are that it's durable, includes a bed frame, and works well for company. The cons are that it only comes in one size and is heavy and not very portable. Number 2. Best full-size pick. MAXYOYO 6-inch extra thick Japanese floor mattress. The MAXYOYO floor mattress is a 6-inch thick Japanese-style futon made with high-density base support foam and polyester padding. It's a full-size floor bed that rolls up for storage and comes with a matching dust cover and straps, which makes cleanup and portability surprisingly easy for its size. One of our favorite things about it is how substantial it feels. The upgraded filling gives it real structure and support, so it doesn't compress into nothing after a night or two. The surface is soft, breathable polyester, and the overall build is sturdy enough for everyday use, whether it's in a bedroom, living room, or guest space. It also works well for camping, kids' sleepovers, or anyone wanting a softer alternative to traditional tatami setups. Why it's worth it? It gives you the comfort of a real bed with the flexibility of floor sleeping. The pros are that it's high quality, extra thick, and comfortable, and available in multiple sizes and colors. The cons are that it's not as easy to fold up as some of our other picks. Before we take a look at number 1, be sure to check out the description and tagged items section below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Best overall. Inofia Memory Foam Tri-Fold Mattress. The Inofia Tri-Fold Mattress is a 6-inch memory foam foldable bed that strikes the best balance between comfort, portability, and design. It measures 73 by 52 inches when laid flat, close to full size, and folds down to about 24 by 52 by 18 inches, making it compact enough for closets, RVs, or small apartments. We also appreciate this mattress's thoughtful construction. The soft bamboo jacquard cover is breathable, removable, and sits over layers of gel memory foam and support foam that actually feel like a real mattress. The non-slip bottom keeps it stable on hard floors, and the mesh side panels help with airflow during extended use. It's fiberglass-free, ships compressed, and takes about 72 hours to fully expand. Why it's worth it? It's one of the only folding mattresses that feels truly bed-like, stores easily, and holds up for everything from guest stays to daily lounging. The pros are that it's extra thick, comes in multiple sizes, is great quality and comfort, and easy to fold. The cons are that it's not as compact as some of our other options for camping or travel. Still need help deciding on the best folding mattress for your needs? Visit the video description and tagged items section for more info and updated deals on our top picks. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing, and feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.